Happy Monday. Wow, my lips are so pale. I can't find my lipstick. I don't know where it is. Happy Monday. On my way to work. And nag-post ako kahapon. That was just a weekend recap. But I didn't really post for the rest of the week because gosh, busy season. But yeah, last week recap. What did happen last week? I was just absorbed with work from that last Monday video up to Friday. And then Friday, so yeah, Camille, Sam, and Tosha came over. We had dinner. So they had Taydara with me. And good thing talaga na may rule ako with Taydara, or else I will just be there every week, every day, and order in. But my rule with Taydara is I can't eat there alone. So thank you for the people na nagpapabudol that allow me to eat at Taydara. Tapos we played Flip 7. So your favorite game, it really is the greatest card game of all time. And then the next day we watched Superman. So media recap. I liked it a lot. And maybe it really is the TZ era na. Because hindi na ako that updated with Marvel stuff like after Endgame and after the last Spider-Man movie. Like wala na akong masyadong attachment to that universe. I haven't even watched yung what's the one related to WandaVision? Yung Agatha All Along. Yeah, I haven't even watched that yet. So a lot of things catch up in terms of if I still want to, you know, continue being a Marvel fan. Hindi naman yun mawawala. But anyway, yeah. So Superman was nice. Wala naman akong comments really about it. It was just really nice. Like yung comments ko the entire movie was just, this is such a James Gunn film. Like the use of the soundtrack and yung type of humor lang din. So yeah, it was a really good movie to watch with friends. And then after that, what did we do? We ate at Lao Taipei, which is where I will go now kasi I need to check yung reservation, which I will quickly do before I go to work. Tapos after that, nagplan pa kami mag-run ng Sunday morning. But then I'm not honest with myself. So by the time that I saw sa clock na 9 PM, pauwi pa lang kami, I'm like, yeah, we're not gonna run in the morning. So naglaro lang kami ng Flip 7 again. And then what happened? Yung pistachio crunch ng Conti's na cake. Low-key, high-key, really like that cake. So I ate that. I don't know why I'm still thinking about that cake. Ubos na siya. So, okay. And then, yeah, another busy week. So, probably yung next update ko na naman is Friday or Saturday, which I have accepted. And then, ano ba? Yeah, yung playlist hindi ko na na-update masyado. But I did add I'll Be There by Mr. Kyungsoo. So new album. And Daisies by Mr. Justin Bieber, a surprise album. Questionable or hindi pa ako sure if I really like that album title swag. But he's within his rights. Daisies is so cute. Yun pa lang and Go Baby yung na-absorb ko from that album. But so far, hindi ko ma-explain yung effect ng voice ni Justin Bieber. I think it's a particular generation talaga. I mean, my college roommates agree with me. May something talaga with his voice that has a specific effect on me. And I just can't explain it. That's just it. Ayun. Good luck to everyone fighting this mid-July. Bye. I am so pale. I need to find my lipstick.